Is Lucky Chip Spin really a fast way to earn $300 by playing a game, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online. So when I came across this app, I thought it was worth giving a go. So I decided to test it. And in this Lucky Chip Spin review, I will give you an inside look. And let me just reveal right away, there are some very important details you need to be aware of. So I have now logged into the Lucky Chip Spin, and at first it looks like a really fast way to earn. I will show you this, like where they claim you can earn $300 or even up to like $10,000 very easily. But just now, you see, right now I have supposedly $70 in my account, and I earned this in like maybe like 5 minutes or so. And it's just like this chip game. Basically, I need to tap there and then it pushes it down, and then there will be different bonus opportunities also. You see now I just earn there and it just adds it. I get coins I can use for different things, and then of course I have a limited number of these coins I can put down, but they will continuously be added, and also I can earn more by watching ads, and in general there will be a lot of ads you have to watch here, believe me. But overall, you see, then I ran out, so then I need to either pay $50, you see, to get more of these chips, or I can get more for free by watching different ads. But I really don't have any intention of watching any of their spammy ads if I can avoid it, but I can't because they will pop up all the time. But you see, they are also always added there all the time, so I can just keep doing that. And now you see, now it just kind of like crashed a little bit. That's another thing, it kind of regularly crashes. So I think I'll just have to try to restart it, and then I'll be right back. So I'm now back inside the app, and you see it has like this piggy bank where I can earn more. So I would need to then click that, and they have all these different bonuses. So I can either like smash it by watching an ad. So I click there to do it for free because they want us to watch ads. That's how they earn. So I'll click that, and then an ad will show. I'll just be right back once this is over. So finally the ad is over. That took forever. It felt like a very spammy ad also. But anyways, now I need to tap the screen, and you see then supposedly I just earned $20 there, right? So you see, since I started recording, I started around $70. So now I just earned more than $30 just by sitting like this. If that is true, that would be amazingly easy and fast. Then I could live with watching a few spammy ads. But let's talk about this. Can you actually cash out? So at the top, you can see there is a cash out option. So you can click here and see that you can even earn up to $10,000 PayPal cash. But the early one there is $300. That should not take me too long to get, as you can see. Supposedly then I can get paid in PayPal cash or via Cash App. However, there are a few important things to be aware of here. First of all, I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. Of course, I cannot earn $100+ in a few minutes by just clicking the screen like this and watching a few spammy ads. Any app that were actually really intending to pay, of course, would go bankrupt, because where would they get the money to pay me that much? That's something you always need to ask yourself. If somebody pays you, like, how can they afford to pay that? They earn by us watching ads, but they do not earn this much. And also, so that's one thing, extremely exaggerated earning claims. Then they also have a certain number of different cards in stock. This, at any time they can say we are out of stock. That will likely happen. Or what will also happen is, probably the closer you get to the payout threshold, the less you will earn. And when you finally reach it, there will be some kind of other requirement. You would need to pay a small processing fee or something like that. Or you need to just watch this certain number of ads within 72 hours or whatever. What I can tell you is that I have no intention of trying to reach a payout threshold, because it's a painful process to use this app and watch all those spammy ads. And I know even if I manage to reach a payout threshold, I will never get paid. So to sum it all up, Lucky Chip Spin is a complete waste of time. And another way to see that is actually if you go to the Google Play Store where you can download it, it says it's in early access, which means nobody can leave reviews. It's a trick that some of these spam apps are using, because they don't want people to leave reviews, because then people will stop actually downloading them. But the thing is, it's been in early access and no access to actually watching the reviews for more than a year. And I can tell you, no app will pay you this much for this easy tasks. They are just out to earn by us watching ads, but they have no intention to pay us. If you want to earn by playing games, there are legit options to do that. You just need to do it with the right expectation. But I'll leave a link below to a list I have on my website about the best ways to earn by playing games. So you can go there. Those sites and apps I know for sure are paying. I've been paid by those myself, but Lucky Tip's been complete waste of time. You should definitely stay away from this. And I hope this video helped you figure out exactly what to expect and why you should not join this app or download it. And if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.